So fundamentally what we've seen is that YouTube is a great channel to reach learners across the globe, right? We started working on YouTube as a channel for customer acquisition back in 2012. And today I'm very happy and proud to say that we've reached 1 million subscribers, which is a big milestone. And I would like to thank all the current employees, ex-employees, customers and learners across the world who have helped us reach this milestone. I wish the teams very well and hope that we reach many more milestones like this in future.
Because I'm passionate about technology and that's what makes me proud to be a creator.
I love helping people understand technologies and it brings a smile to my face hearing their positive feedback.
It's because I love creating videos that help people understand complex subjects in an easy manner.
It's easy because I get to share all this knowledge with millions of people around the globe.
I love how passionate the creators are. Our YouTube journey to 1 million subscribers has been a wonderful one, all thanks to them. Now we aim to provide quality education to tens of millions of people across the globe.
I'm very proud of the fact that our team of creators have built one of the world's biggest technology education channel on YouTube. Well done.